Oh guys, welcome back, and it's literally been at it again. Oh fucking hell, just finished guys. It's still warm. That's still warm. I'll put everything away. That there, you're wondering what that is down there before you start kicking off. It's just an ABS sensor wire, and I've had to rip that off of there for the MOT. Just so the guy don't think it's a fucking broken ABS wire. Which that, yeah, is your ABS wire as well, so needs pinning up there. But I'm not too fucking worried about that. But now we can go through the MOT now. Because look, that's all welded up there. We've got a bit of a tube welded in there. I've got to do the other side, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to try my luck with the MOT. Obviously, I've got the seals to do as well. But, like I said, I'm going to try my MOT and then I'm just going to go from there. Alright guys, peace out. Bye for now. Have a good day. Look at that. Oh, man. Have a good day. Look at Mrs. Silver, guys. Mrs. Silver. Hey! Look at Mrs. Silver, guys! And that is good old Mrs. Silver. And there we are, guys. Mrs. Silver's out on the leaf blower. Bye for now. Have a good day.